Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to change profile picture on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, tap on three dots from the top right corner. Go to Settings. Tap on your profile. Then tap on the camera icon. You will see two options, camera and gallery. Select any option you want. For this tutorial, I will choose the camera option. Now click a picture. If you are happy with your clicked picture and like to make it your profile, tap on OK. If not, tap on Retry. I am happy with the picture, so I will tap on OK. Here it will allow you to adjust your photo as per your choice. Adjust your photo, then tap on Done. And you will change your profile picture on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to change your profile picture on WhatsApp. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.